Hey guys, welcome to Online Money Goal. So in this video we'll be talking about how to earn money by just selling your photos. Yeah, it's really simple. If you haven't watched my other video which I have told you around 10 websites where you can actually sell your images and get a lot of money for that one, it will be in the cards above or in the description box below. You can check that one if you want more options. This website is one of those kinds. So here you just have to click on start uploading, where you will be end up with sign up page, and you have to sign up giving your email address and other basic information. Here you can earn money by just clicking photos from your mobile, but make sure you think and click pictures from content creators perspective, because that is where you will be driving sales. Content creators are those who are actually going to need images and videos, stock footages from people like us who are uploading to get money. So here you will be getting more royalty than other huge websites. We'll be seeing that now in few minutes. But before that, if you haven't subscribed yet to the channel, please subscribe and click on the bell notification so that you won't miss any update from our channel. Now, after signing up, you will end up in this page where you have to upload all your stock footages and images that you have shot. Make sure you don't get images and other stock footages from Pexels or Pixabay where they give you free images. You should not actually upload those images here. They will ban your account, so don't do that. Click images from your phone legitimately and do it properly. And after dropping your files, it won't directly get published in the marketplace. It will go under a review, and once the person approves your images, it will be up for sale. And as far as I know, this is a great passive income idea. You can actually do this by just uploading images. Isn't that really great? But they have few instructions and guidelines before you start uploading it. Make sure you read that fully and thoroughly. The most important thing that I would like to highlight here is that the amount of image that you can upload in a week actually depends and differs from person to person. It depends on the approval rate of your image. If you are going to have around 50 to 80% of approval rate for all your images that you are uploading here, you will have a high chance of uploading more images than the other people, and it actually decreases according to it. And also there is another important thing that I would like to tell you is that your image should be in JPEG format, and it should also be in 3 megapixel to a maximum of 70 megapixels. Look out for best selling images in this website so that you will get an idea of what type of images are selling really great in stock footage websites. And also read frequently asked questions FAQ, because they have answered a huge amount of questions that people might ask. And the payment method will be in PayPal, Payoneer and Skrill. You will be getting payment once you have reached the threshold of $100. Once you get to that threshold, you will get the payment automatically in your linked account, which might be PayPal, Payoneer or Skrill. This website not only accepts your photos and videos that you are shooting in your phone, it also accepts illustrations that you have already made in Adobe Illustrator or any other software. And there are few more FAQs which will be really useful for you. You can go through that in the website. I'll be leaving the link of this website in the description box. You can also check it out. And this method of earning passive income is really useful for college students who are willing to earn money in their free time. This is really simple, guys, because you just have to upload images and videos that you have shot that looks really good and that are really helpful in content creators perspective. And if it sells, you will be getting 25% of the royalty, which is around $0.35 per download. Unlike other websites where they actually ask you to upload images for sample, and after approval you will be getting into the dashboard and uploading your images for selling, this website actually allows you once you have signed up with them. So this is pretty quite simple, and you don't have to do any preliminary test or wait for approval and all. That is quite simple and straightforward process. And here you also have another thing, which is like And for the uploading process, you can either go with the website. I have shown you guys before the upload page, where you can just drag and drop your files and upload all your images and videos. So if you can do that, or you can actually use FTP. FTP is nothing but file transfer protocol. So you can use that to upload all your files. So I'm using FileZilla for my FTP file transfers. So if you want, you can use that, or there are so many options out there. You can just do a Google search and you will be able to find out FTP softwares and other apps. And so that's all about the video, guys. If you really liked it, give it a thumbs up. It will be a great motivation for me to do more videos like this. And if you have any doubts, please comment it below. And so I have made another video where I have shown you 10 websites to earn money by just uploading your photos. You can check out that one. Link will be in the description box below. And meet you all in the next video, guys. Until then, bye and thank you.